The university library is currently undergoing renovations to improve accessibility for all students.
Climate change is one of the most pressing issues affecting global agricultural productivity.
Recent technological advancements have revolutionized the way information is processed and shared.
Effective communication is essential for fostering collaboration within diverse teams.
The results of the experiment were inconclusive due to a lack of controlled variables.
Students are encouraged to participate in extracurricular activities to enhance their academic experience.
The professor's lecture on genetic engineering sparked a lively debate among the students.
Advancements in renewable energy technologies are crucial for reducing greenhouse gas emissions.
Several key stakeholders will be present at the conference to discuss the future of urban development.
Understanding cultural differences is essential in international business and communication. If you think this video deserves a like or a subscribe and comment below, then please do so right now.
The speaker emphasized the importance of critical thinking in analyzing historical events.
Political stability is often viewed as a prerequisite for sustained economic development.
Significant improvements in public health have resulted from increased funding in medical research.
A thorough analysis of the data revealed unexpected patterns and correlations.
The workshop aims to equip participants with practical skills in digital marketing.
The company's success can be attributed to its focus on innovation and customer satisfaction.
To improve efficiency, the organization implemented new management strategies.
A growing number of universities are offering online courses to accommodate diverse student needs.
The environmental impact of deforestation extends beyond the loss of biodiversity.
Comprehensive literature review is essential for understanding current research trends.
Are you struggling to score 79 plus in PTE Academic or PTE Core? Then Perfect Skills PTE is the right place for you. Join us now. What are you waiting for? Click on the link below or call us, WhatsApp us now.